guess I guess this is part two because my phone. I don't want to make no long videos, man. You hear what I'm saying? So just listen real quick before this damn phone start tripping, because it only start tripping when I tell the truth. So I adopted the animal, the energy signature of the cuttlefish so that I could blend in when I was slanging in the park. When I was maneuvering in the traffic, I blend in. You know what I'm saying? And it was kind of like I was invisible. You hear what I'm saying? I was invisible to people. So one day they raid the park. They did this like warrant raid where they check all the homeless people warrant, and I had my bag over there, and all of my money and my re-up and my weed and all of that type of stuff was in the bag. And when they raid the park, the big white boy, he come and stand right by my bag and start talking to the people that was watching my bag, right? So I'm like, oh man, it's gonna be over with. So I already told my girl that I'm like, yeah. She like, cuttlefish power. And I'm like, nah, no cuttlefish power, no cuttlefish power. And she like, yeah, cuttlefish power. And see, she had more faith up in what I taught her than I even had. And them the people who I mess with, like her. But anyway, to make a long story short, I'm like, all right. So I went to go call a homie because I know that I was good. Because, I be moving it fast. And before I can even reach in here, she come walking down the street with the backpack. And I'm like, wow, the backpack. And she like, I'm like, how you get the backpack? And she like, I just went, he was writing the things down, like running their names and doing that. I went to the backpack, and then I just picked the backpack up and I left. And I was like, cuttlefish power. So to make a long story short, cuttlefish power, and I'll make another video going in more detail on how to adopt these energy signatures. Some people put tattoos on them, like Playboy tattoos and different things like that. I wouldn't advise that because you can't take that off. You don't always want to just be running around fucking and shit and all of that. You might want to settle down, and now that you got this, you know what I'm saying, on you, I got a tattoo of a gorilla on me, and I was always wondering why I wouldn't let nobody like Mad Dog me, and I just can't ever turn down a Mad Dog, no matter who it is, like what they got. And I know that's dumb sometimes, because sometimes I'll be with my kids and stuff, and sometimes like it just is not wise to do that. This damn tattoo, man, I didn't put this energy signature of a gorilla on me. So I wouldn't advise a tattoo, but there's other ways. There's totems, like you could create a totem, especially if you know how to draw different animals and stuff. Whichever one you want to adopt, you can draw it. You know what I'm saying? You could buy shirts. And why you think that football teams and basketball teams and all that be naming some teams after like animals and different things like that? This is why. You know what I'm saying? And one of the main energy signatures is, well, all the energy signatures is main. And the reason I'm talking like this is because I'm watching my children out there play. So I'm kind of doing both. That's why I left the other room the other time. But energy signatures, man. Like I turn into a baboon on your ass, boy. You know what I'm saying? Like a peacock is fly, man. I can imagine a peacock, a male peacock as a human. Man, he'll be tight, man. He'll be dressing in like the tightest stuff and like smell too. All of that. The tightest cut, because the male peacock is about like beauty, like and flamboyant, like a pimp. Like kind of like a pimp. You know what I'm saying? And we can go on and on with the energy signatures, but whichever one resonate with you, you can adopt it by first getting familiar with it, learning everything you need to learn about it, books, drawings, get you something small of it. Like if you want the energy signature of a lion or something, get you like little lion um, um, keychains or whatever. Watch The Lion King. Start watching The Lion King. Name your dog Simba. If you got a tight little pit or something, name him Simba. You know what I'm saying? Wear those colors and stuff like that. Do that, and then it's gonna start coming. It's gonna start manifesting and coming out of you, and you're gonna start seeing it. But then still, you still gotta be keen, have eyes, spiritual eyes to see this going on. You gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be a part. Well, this is part 2, but there's going to be another video explaining on how you can adopt these energy signatures, and it could be any energy signature that you choose.